virus that claims the lives of 400,000 people per year globally. A disease that has affected the lives of 70 million people worldwide. Hepatitis C virus is the fifth most dangerous virus known to humans, surpassing viruses such as HIV, which causes deadly diseases like AIDS. This disease can develop in your body for years, waiting for the perfect time to activate and shows intense symptoms, which is exactly why the World Health Organization has called this disease as a silent disease. But why is the spread of this disease so rampant? The answer is pretty simple. The lack of data on hepatitis C virus and the various misconceptions and rumors surrounding it. How can you stop the spread of this disease? The answer is pretty simple: to raise awareness. In order to eradicate this disease by 2030, as targeted by the World Health Organization, one must spread awareness and must stress on these particular points. First is the importance of sex education. This is very important to remove the stigma surrounding the disease and also to teach people how to practice safe sex. Second is the need for a better healthcare service, as in some countries, due to the poor healthcare systems, the spread of this disease is very rampant. Third is to tell people to get tattoos and piercings from places which are hygienic and use sterile equipments. And finally, not sharing personal items such as toothbrush and razors, as there is a chance of transmission of blood via sharing these items. Finally, I'd like to say that the treatment for this disease is available and this disease is 100% curable. One should not be afraid of this disease. They should fight against it bravely. Also, spread awareness about this disease so that the future generation would have to read about it in history books rather than experiencing it on a daily basis. We hope you liked our video. If you did, don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family in order to spread awareness. Also, if you want to know more about this disease, then don't forget to read our article on battles against the hepatitis C virus.